hooked on you, baby, you're golden. Time moves, I never noticed, just can't get enough. Got me wonderstruck.
Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I hope you guys are doing amazing. Today we are going to be doing some evening cleaning together. This is one of those days that I had tons to do during the day, so I wanted to make an effort to spend my evening cleaning up and just getting everything back in its place so I can wake up in the morning to a fresh, clean house. So Ava was doing a little painting after dinner tonight, so she is picking up her mess right now. We're gonna get everything cleaned up and put back in her activity cupboard.
Baby, golden. Time moves, I never noticed, just can't get enough. Got me wonderstruck. I knew the second I met you, I was doomed to never forget you. Just one single touch got me wonderstruck.
So we're gonna go ahead and start by doing the dishes. I kind of switched up my normal routine a little bit because I've just been kind of getting bored and wanting to do something new. I've just been doing like that same routine for so long, where I typically will start with like cleaning the kitchen table before I actually do the dishes. So this time I just wanted to dive right into the dishes. I did grab any dishes that were on the coffee table or the kitchen and I put them in here, so I made sure I collected everything that needed to be clean. Let me know if you've ever done that, where you kind of got bored of your same routine that you went ahead and just switched up the task, or is it just me? I know routines are really, really good to have, but sometimes I just want to switch things up.
Baby, you're golden. Time moves, I never noticed, just can't get enough. Got me wonderstruck. I knew the second I met you, I was doomed to never forget you. Just one single touch got me wonderstruck. I know I messed up. Yeah, I know I did you wrong. But I learned my lesson. Now what if we could move on?
So this part of my countertop has been cluttered since Christmas. It's just had that holiday candy up there, some random things, and then we did a seafood boil. So I had this huge pot that was just sitting there and I needed to find some room to put it in my cabinets. And that's another goal of mine, is getting these cabinets in order. I don't feel like I have a lot of things, but everything just kind of gets mixed up over the months because they're not put back in their exact places. So I want to reorganize the kitchen soon so I can get everything back in its area and we know exactly where everything goes and we have room for everything.
Baby, try, just one more night, then make up your mind. Please don't say that it's goodbye, bye. If you just believe it, I know we can make it. We used to be strong, love. Don't forget where you're coming from. A heart like that, don't give up that easily. I wanna see you be mad, yeah, get mad at me. I'm sorry for making you feel like you're not good enough, 'cause you're the best, you know. I'm sorry for making you feel like.
So today I did team up with Home Chef so I can share their meal subscription with you guys. And let me tell you, this subscription came at the right time, right when we were sick here. My son was basically helping me with everything. And these meals are so convenient. They are easy to make. They have different levels like beginner and intermediate. And for my son, he was able to make these when I wasn't able to cook. One of the meals I did get a chance to cook was the teriyaki steak pad thai. Ava chose that one and it was so good. If you haven't heard of Home Chef, it's a meal kit that has simple, convenient, and tasty meals that can take 15 minutes to 30 minutes to make. So you can feel good about what you're eating, but also have it delivered straight to your door, fresh, with all of the pre-packaged and portioned out ingredients, which is a plus. It helps you save on time and you know you're getting good quality ingredients. So with Home Chef, you can choose their fast and fresh meals, which those ones you can assemble quickly and heat them in the microwave, and it saves on time and cleanup without sacrificing the flavor. But you can also choose their oven-ready meals, which are the kits that require little prep, and they arrive at your door with the fresh pre-chopped ingredients and an oven-safe 10. You can also use the customize feature to upgrade, swap, or double up your favorite protein on selected recipes. And then there's also a huge variety, so you can choose between 20 different meals every week. Also, you can easily pause your subscription if there are certain weeks that you just don't want to receive any meals. So if you haven't had a chance to try Home Chef, I do recommend it. I love their meals. We've been eating them for years, and you can use my code Lindsey90 off for $90 off, and that gives you 10 free meals. So thank you so much, Home Chef, for sponsoring this portion of today's video.
The street, I'm just smiling big at everybody. 2 more blocks and I'll be at your door. Overcome, brother, nothing keeps me melancholy. Spread my wings, so damn ready to soar. And there couldn't be a better taste after everything I faced. I send a little luck my way, send a little bright sun ray to hit my skin. Dream that I cannot erase, keep it in a little case. Truth be told is I've never felt better, and if I'm honest with myself, I am so glad we're together, because this new state of mind that I've struggled to find can now be shared with you, because you showed me the light.
So because it is late in the evening and I just wanted to get the place clean and wrap it up, I am using pretty much one product. I am using that Method multi-surface cleaner. I think it's in the scent Honey Crisp, which it smells amazing, really fresh, really good, but not too strong. And so I'm using that all over just because it is a multi-surface product and I don't want to keep switching between the products. I want to get my house clean and relax and wind down for the night. So I'm not making things too complicated.
Truth be told is I've never felt better, and if I'm honest with myself, I am so glad we're together, because this new state of mind that I've struggled to find can now be shared with you, because you showed me the light. Truth be told is I've never felt better, and if I'm honest with myself, I am so glad we're together, because this new state of mind that I've struggled to find can now be shared with you, because you showed me the light.
So what I'm using is the Women's Cooktop Glass Cleaner Kit. It comes with the cleaner and the polish. It also comes with a blade so you can clean those hard to clean spots, like the burn spots. And then it also comes with this like padded brush there that I hardly use. I mean, it works for like polishing, but I just like to use a microfiber cloth and then the blade.
Can now be shared with you, because you showed me the light. I've seen those faces, I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone in denial. 'Cause you want dollar bills right now, but you gotta work real hard. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I say, see it in your mind, trust that, have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not says who, yeah, you can make it too. If not says who, you can make it. You had great patience, but something knocked you out. You felt your limitations and filled your.
So today I'm just going to use my Dawn Power Wash to clean my sink and that surrounding area. You can do a lot with the Dawn Power Wash.
I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said, see it in your mind, trust that, have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not says who.
Let me know if you've gotten any new cleaning products or cleaning tools. Have you got like a new vacuum cleaner or just using like a new spray? I would love to hear about some new cleaning products out there. And if you're liking them or your review on them, let us know in the comments. I feel like that will help a lot of people out, especially if they are looking for something specific. And for me, I like to try new cleaning products, new tools, or hear about what's working or what's not on something I haven't used before. And maybe that will help you guys too.
Have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not says who, yeah, you can make it too. If not says who, you can make it. If not says who, yeah, you can make it too. If not says who, you can make it. When I was young, just a boy, dreamed of falling in love with a girl like you. Through the years I thought I found you, but nothing would do.
So what I'm using on my floors tonight, another 2-in-1 situation, which always saves on time, and that is my Eureka Mop Vac, and it does an awesome job just vacuuming everything up and then going ahead and mopping at the same time, which is genius. There's a lot of these out in the market. I just really enjoy using them. When I do like a deeper clean, I will use more of like your regular mop or even a cloth and just getting on my hands and knees, but it helps to use as a time saver when you're just doing like a quick cleanup in your house.
When I was older, looking hard, your love hit me hard. I didn't see you coming. Through the years, you were doubting. You thought about running. Now here we are.
So I noticed over the last few days that I actually have some decor missing from my house. Some of that non-seasonal decor, like my throw pillows that I recently found and put on my small couch here, and then also my wreath, my like eucalyptus wreaths and stuff like that I usually have hanging up around the house. So I need to find those. I found the pillows. They were just in the back of the closet, and I totally forgot to put them out after I took down my holiday decor. But I'm still kind of finding things as I go in my closet and in my garage. I just think that I kind of forgot about my decor since going through all of the fall seasonal decor and then all of the Christmas decor.
With you I feel brand new, 'cause I don't get old loving you. 'Cause I don't get old loving you.
Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name. Take me to a different place, just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. 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 All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my
All right, you guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some cleaning motivation from it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Also, don't forget to check out Home Chef, and I will see all of you guys in the next one. Bye.